we're joined now by CBS News legal contributor, that's Alexis Hoag. She's a civil rights attorney and lecturer at Columbia Law School. Good morning to you, Alexis. You know, good morning. It's been reported that the opening arguments are so crucial that 80% of jurors have already made up their mind after the opening arguments. If that's true, how important are these closing arguments today, number one? And number two, what does each side need to show? Let's start with how crucial they are today.
They are crucial. And as you say, a good closing argument will reinforce the opening statements. And parties cannot overpromise and then underdeliver. And if that happens, it's harder for the jurors to side with them. And so what we can expect from the state is we have to remember that A.G. Blackwell told us from the beginning that we can believe what we see with our eyes. He will be reviewing all of the haunting video evidence that we saw throughout the trial.
What the carbon monoxide content.
And this includes the more than a dozen police officers who testified that George Floyd's murder was caused by Derek Chauvin. When we heard from the police officer who said that Chauvin did not adhere to police protocol and that his actions were totally unnecessary.
Now, the defense only needs to convince one juror to make sure that there is not a guilty verdict. Does that give them an advantage, do you think?
In some ways, yes. In other ways, no. And we have to remember what happened during this trial. And as I opened with, AG, or rather the Nelson, the defense attorney, he really did overpromise what we could hear. He said that we could rely on our common sense, our logic, and reasonable doubt and reason. But following that guidance, that could lead us to a conviction. He has to walk back from this overpromise that the crowd was angry and contributed to Derek Chauvin's actions. He has to walk back to the fact that supposedly Chauvin adhered to Minneapolis Police Department protocol. The state's case was very strong on these issues.
They threw a lot at the jury, implying that it was drug use, his health conditions, maybe even carbon monoxide. Now, Derek Chauvin opted not to take the stand in his own defense. Will that work against him, do you think?
You know, the judge admonished jurors that that's something they cannot consider. It will be on their minds, but they really have to set it aside. And in this case, it's not an issue of who did it. Intent to kill is not at issue. And so I think this was really an instance where the fact that Chauvin didn't testify won't really weigh as heavily on these jurors' minds.
All right, we will find out later this week. Alexis Hoag, we thank you very much. We will bring you live coverage of the closing arguments in the Derek Chauvin trial in a CBS News special report. We expect the court to begin at 10 o'clock Eastern Time.